I'd love you to share what you've gained from Return to Love Art Therapy program you've just completed.
Well, my name's Andrina.
I'm Monique. And Steph.
And together we've been on a journey, a real in-depth journey, and I've really loved the 6 weeks. I didn't know what to expect. It's brought out my inner child, it's brought out parts of me that have been dead and buried. It's brought out lots of tears, but together we've created some beautiful artwork and colours, and I've just loved every minute of it, and I'd love to do it all over again.
I agree. I've gained a real respect for my uniqueness, and that it's okay to be exactly who I am.
And I speak very highly of Helen, and just the way she very gracefully and respectfully just leads you through. Don't feel you have to have anything wrong or major, just it's fun, it's beautiful what you discover along the way, and you come away with some real insights and beautiful things you've created which you didn't know you had inside you. Do it.
Yeah.
So we uncovered an inner treasure of goodies, didn't we?
We did.
And had a lot of laughs.
Yeah.
And a lovely connection all together. So thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, beautiful lady. It's been such a privilege.